everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mok Nor Mai. It's a bamboo soup, okay, steamed bamboo soup. So all the ingredient I have today is salt, padek paste, fish salt, chicken flavor, chili pepper, garlic, shallot, kaffir leaf. And what we have here is spring onion, galangal, lemongrass, rice paddy herb, and pork belly. Ingredient we have a bamboo soup here, and the bamboo soup, the one I got it from the can. And the most important, you have to clean it out real good. If you don't clean real good, you can like see the yellow part here. Every time you clean, you make sure you clean it out real good. It will come out, okay? I will take this to the sink and clean. The bamboo I use today is from the can, and they soak in the water, and you can like see the yellow stuff in it a little bit, and I clean it out real good, okay? After I clean out real good, I'm gonna cut them, and I'm gonna boil them in very high heat for 20 minutes, okay? Let me prepare this. The end area still kind of soft, and I want to save some, and it's still good, and I slide them like that, okay? And I have a salt here, and what I do, I have hot water here, and we're gonna start boil about 20 minutes, okay? When you use for the Mok Nor Mai, you don't want a lot of water, okay? At the sample, I check it well, and then I put in the, my bowl, and let it set, and look what happened here. See, there's a lot of water, and this is thick and green, and that's what I want. I don't want that one. So I'm gonna use 2 cans. I'm gonna do same thing with this one, okay? All I need is that color, not this one. between mok pa, mok gai, mok nor mai. Okay, mok pa, mok gai, you're gonna be very strong on earth because they have a lot of smell of the fish and chicken. But mok nor mai, they're very light on earth. Most of people pick up the bamboo is fresh from the field, whatever they do, and they wanna eat like very aroma from the bamboo. So what when you do the bamboo, light on earth, okay, but it's also optional. You know, myself, I'm gonna be medium happy today, so I put some all kind of herb alike. But if you see something that you think, oh, it's my family don't like that, like this, support not to put this, support not to put that, you can pull out. But my cooking, I like all the herb, special Lao food. You have to have herb, either like light or heavy, okay? I go happy medium today. Okay, follow me, let's do the herb. Well, I have a steamer here and I use some water. Boop. 2 ข้อมือ I know people joke a lot about this, right? Anyway, so you wanna put a lot of water, quite enough, because you're gonna steam for 45 minutes, okay? 40 to 45 minutes, it depends. And I'm gonna go ahead turn on the high heat right now to get the pot hot. And after that, you put medium high heat, okay? Let's go ahead, get started. Nam Yanang. This one clear, and you see how like that settled down. I'm gonna go ahead pour this. Guy, it doesn't mean that Yanang not good, okay? It's good Yanang, it's good company too. Just because I want the thick, I don't want the clear. And I just gonna go ahead set this one for Gang Nor Mai, okay? For my soup. Nothing waste in my family. Nothing waste. So that's what I need, okay? Now, okay, after I cut all my ingredient, everything here is nice, beautiful, and it smells so good. And I'm ready to mix the stuff together, okay? As you see, I put yanang in there already. Now this is pork belly, yes. Put stuff herb. And I like pepper, you know, I like it hot. See how like this not gonna be hot, just hai man and you know, if you wanna eat hot, you can pick it up, okay, and eat them. Okay. Padek. Chicken flavor. Gula salt. Padek. น้ำปลาฟิตซอส mix everything together rice paddy herb spring onion okay หอม mix You know, this is perfect. This is look perfect right now. If you wanna taste, you can taste them, but you put in the microwave first, okay? Just like that much, and put in microwave. Let's see if they taste right before you wrap in banana leaf. Okay, I got banana leaf. I get this ready from last night, nice and soft. Little dry, no problem. เพราะบ่อยากให้มันแตก you know more like it they break easy but this one I clean real good put on the table and fan put the fan on all night and then I have a small size for inside the small size I cut that okay and then I have a bigger size see hopefully it's soft looks pretty soft let's start อันนี้ to speak come from Laos very nice ผู้ใดเฮ็ดอันนี้นะ thank you เด้องามหลายเป็นตาหัก four number 4 back finger hereจับไว้แปะ 46 ดาวOkay, guys, the bottom part, the bottom section, make sure you don't put too tight, okay? Make sure you have enough room so the heat can come up, okay? If you cover them good like that, like, no, they're gonna be trapped, okay? The steam gonna be trapped. So, then you put the second layer. hon. Okay, 45 minutes. Let's take a look. ลุ่นเปิดน้ำกันดี Alright, that's what they look like, guys. What do you think? Hom, smells so good, so good. Okay, like I say, Mok Nor Mai, you have to be like happy medium on all the herb. If you don't like too much pepper, you don't have to put much, okay? It's your own taste, okay? And this is just tastes right for me. I love little spicy, but not too spicy. น้ำลายเหินนะเธอน้ำลายเหยอ่อนทวนๆเลยโอ้ฮ้อนแซ่บแซ่บเลยเป่าอีกก่อนโอ้แซ่บหลายOkay. Thank you for watching. Okay. If you like my video, hit like, share, and subscribe. And I see you guys next time. Okay. Bye. ลาก่อน ต่อกินต่อ